Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with an update about some precious metals and some really important information about it, guys. So let's jump right into it. So we're on GoldMoney.com, and I talk about this website multiple times before in other videos about precious metals, but this one's more important update about it. So GoldMoney has now implemented a $10 monthly fee. Nothing wrong with that, but they also have gotten rid of ways to add into your bank account, and the only way to add into their accounts is by wire transfer. So if you guys do buy precious metals quite often, if you're adding money by wire transfer, it might cost you around minimum $45, and for their processing fee you're going to add another $20 to them right here. And since they're international, you'll spend maybe a little bit more, so you're going to spend about $100 just to put your money into their accounts. Then you're going to pay their fees and their monthly fees. So guys, what I'm saying about GoldMoney, it's not a bad company, but they're just so expensive just to buy 1 ounce of gold and silver. 1 ounce of anything. To buy any type of gold through them, they're just too expensive. And they've gotten rid of a lot of their products and services, and they claim it's some legal changes. So for me, guys, I closed my account with them, got rid of them completely, and moved my money to something that's better, that's not going to be so costly. So if you guys are looking at buying gold and silver, these are the avenues that I would recommend. My first one, one I do the most, is APMEX. APMEX is my favorite website when it comes to buying precious metals. They are really good at doing it. Also, because they're one of the biggest, they have some of the best deals out there, and you can save a whole lot of money. They do have a 45 monthly charge if you want to put it with Citadel. They're online with their storage company. Amazing. Now Bullion, really good too, really good company. They don't have storage, but they ship directly to your house. Really recommend them. They have some really good deals, especially on some of the silver that comes out, so check them out. Another one is Provident Metals. Very, very good website. What I like about them the most is some of their I'll say their exotics are pretty nice. They're a little bit expensive, but they are different than the other websites that they have. Next one is gold silver. This one I do buy from time to time. They have cheaper prices, but what I do like about them is that the education also comes with the YouTube channel. So check them out. That's gold silver, or just go to Mike Maloney in the YouTube, right? Not this one, my bad. Next one, this one I do buy since I'm located on the best location. It's Silver Gold Bull. You can buy through my website through here too, and if you buy through here, it's really good, and they have some really comparable prices. What I do like is that sometimes their shipping is cheaper, so check them out. So guys, here's my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Please check it out if you want to learn how to trade, learn more about precious metals. All you gotta do is go to my website, click gold and silver. Actually, you gotta sign up. You can start. You can be a subscriber, start a free account. But from there, guys, you guys can learn more about precious metals. All you gotta do is click. Actually, let me log in for you guys. Okay. Here, let me log in for you guys. And from here, you'll be able to learn. So on my platform, you can get a lot of money education, investing education about Forex and also stocks and money. All right, and from there you can be able to expand your knowledge and to get on our live sessions. We have live sessions Sunday through Friday on stocks and Forex. Let me reload this. Stocks and Forex and some crypto from here and there. But here's our gold page. If you want to buy gold or look at some statistics and numbers, before you do buy, please watch our precaution video. So this is things you need to watch out before buying gold and silver. There's some really important things. It'll save you a lot of money and a lot of time. All right, all you gotta do is click either of these or here, and you'll go to our link to go through Gold Silver Bull. So please check that out, guys. If you want to buy one, start a free account, become a subscriber, and that's it, guys. Please contact me or hit me up on Facebook or all social media. Links are all around, and have a nice day. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I'll see you.